Exciting contract opportunity for a controls engineer, skilled in Siemens TIA, needed in California on February 5, 2024. This contract pays $88 per hour base, $114 per hour overtime, and $140 per hour Sundays. It also pays $200 per day in expenses. Get ready to play a key role in the final part run and debug of a new interior door panel manufacturing system. Your challenge: conduct final part runoff and debug for a system tested in Holland, Michigan. Optimize performance with a full supply of parts. Potential for extended standby support after initial engagement. Why choose this contract? Because of the attractive pay, overtime, and expenses. Choose this contract to join a community that is shaping the future of automation engineering and the way we professionals work. This is your chance to take control of your career and to start contracting. Build your professional legacy with an Automate America profile. Say goodbye to traditional resumes. Here, your profile grows with every contract. Each customer review enhances your professional reputation, making you more valuable in our community and anywhere you traditionally use a resume. Showcase your skills and experience through a profile that reflects your real-world accomplishments. Ready to take on this contract? Click on the link in the description of this post to learn more and apply. Automate America is not just about contracts, it's about creating connections and opportunities in the automation world. Automate America, we make contracting easy.